In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Miro board on a Miro board. We're going to walk through this slowly and clearly so you can follow along in your own workspace. By the end, you'll be able to display one board inside another, which is really useful for dashboards, overviews, or collecting multiple projects in one place. First, head over to Miro and open the board where you want to embed another board. This can be a brand new blank board or an existing one you're already working in. Give it a second to load so all the tools appear around the edges of your screen. Once your main board is open, look for the toolbar, usually found along the left-hand side. In that toolbar, you'll see different tools for adding content, like shapes, text, and frames. Among those options, find and click on the Embed tool. This is the feature that lets you bring external content into your board, including another Miro board. When you click on Embed, a small window or panel will pop up. This is where you'll paste the link to the board you want to embed. So, before you go any further, open a new tab or switch to the other Miro board you want to embed. Copy its board link from your browser's address bar or from the Share menu if you prefer. Make sure the board you're embedding has the right access settings so that anyone viewing your main board can also see the embedded one. Typically, that means setting it to at least anyone with the link can view, depending on your team's permissions. Now, go back to your original board where that embed window is still open. Click into the field that asks for a link and paste the URL of the board you just copied. Once you've pasted the link, confirm by clicking on the Paste or Insert button in that window. Miro will take a moment to process the link. After that, you'll see a live, interactive view of your other board appear directly on your current board. You can click and drag to position it where you want and use the corner handles to resize it, just like any other object. Take a moment to adjust its size so it's easy to see, especially if you plan to present or share this with others. And that's it. You've successfully embedded one Miro board inside another, giving you a powerful way to create overviews, hubs, and workspace dashboards, all within Miro.